Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about most important Java interview program. This program asked in Acolyte company. So it is a Java coding challenge or this problem statement we can also call like Josephus problem. So let's understand the problem statement. 100 people standing in a circle in an order 1 to 100. So 100 is the input. After that, one have a snow sword. That means knife. One have knife. He kills the next person. So number two and give the sword to the next three. All people do the same until only one survivors. Which number survives at the last? There are 100 people starting from 1 to 100. So, Jaws was problem which involves a circle of peoples where every second person is eliminated until only one survives. 100 people standing in a circle in an order 1 to n. So, every second person is eliminated until only one survives, right? So, let's try to solve this problem by using Java. So let's add the main method. See, let's understand this problem as well. 100 people standing in a circle in an order 1 to 100, right? So input is a 100. So let's take integer, integer input equal to 100. So the number of the number of peoples in the circle. So total number of people there in circle 100. So let's create a one private method. We need to find the what we need to find here. So w- until only one survivors, we need to which number survivors at the last we need to find survivors, right? For that, so find survivors. We need to pass input as a parameter semicolon. So we are expecting integer as a response as well. Input survivor equal to, so input survivor, so survival survivor. So this is the integer survivor equal to find survivors. So create private method, return type is integer, static method. Static methods we can call by using class name or directly, right? Without any creating object. So now this method work is find the position of the last person. Last person. So now let's take a variable to track the, so let's take a variable and power of 2. Power of 2 equal to initial I am assigned with 1. So this variable to keep of the variable to keep track of the largest power of 2 less than or or equal equal to input. So we are declared one variable in the power of 2, right? Variable to keep track of the largest power of 2 less than or equal to input. So next take the while loop. While this is the power of 2, right? Power of 2 less than or equal to input. Now we need to power of 2 equal to 2 semicolon, add the star. I will explain why we are taking this. So now keep doubling, keep doubling until it exits the input, exit the input, until it exits the input. So next we need to do, so step back to the largest power of 2 less than or equal to equal to input. Now here we need to do power of 2 slash equal to 2. Here step back to the largest power of 2 less than or equal to. Now so the Josephus position for the last person can be calculated as, so we have an input, right? Input minus power of 2. By using this we can calculate the Josephus. So position store into, suppose int L equal to, finally return the 2 star L star 2 star L plus 1. See, formula to find the service position. So this is the implementation for that program. So as far as way system.out.println, let's print the result. Let's understand one more time. So 100 people standing in a circle in an order 1 to 100. Input is the 100 peoples. So after that we are created find service, some method we are created. It will expecting the parameter as a integer, returning as a integer. So here, so Jasper's problem, which involves a circular of peoples where every second person is eliminated until only one supervises. So every second person we need to eliminate. For that, see, we are able to keep track of the largest power of 2 less than or equal to input. See, this is the 1 less than or equal to input. Input is a, so 100, it is true. So it will be entering into this while loop. So it will again power of 2. Power of 2 is 1 star equal to 2. Keep doubling until it exits the input. So that means it will be increased to 2. It will be continued until this input is a 101 until it is input is a 101. So step back to the largest power up to less than or equal to input. So slash equal to 2. The Jasper's position of the last person can be calculated as so int L equal to input minus power of. This is the formula. Find the Jasper's position. Formula to find the supervisor's position. So this way too we can achieve this problem. Let's run this problem. Run a Java application. We will get the output 73. This is the expected result. So if you want to debug, you can add system.out.println as well. Let's add. Let's check what is the value for the so input. After completing while loop, what is the input value? Let's check. See, input value is a 100. Input value is a 100. So, what is the value of power up to? Let's check here. Run a Java application 128. It is a 128. So, if you want to check each iteration of value of power up to, then add like this. This each time power up to will be printed. Run a Java application. See, first time it will be 2. See, 1 into 2 equal to 2. After that 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 64, 128 up to 128. So here after 128 this while condition will be false, so it will not enter into this while loop, right? This way too we can debug. Otherwise we can also add breakpoints to debug. Run a Java application. So answer is the 73. So in this video we have successfully understand Java coding challenge or Josephus problem. 100 peoples standing in a circle in an order 1 to 100. One has a sword, that means knife. He kills the next person and gives the knife to the next. So all people do the same until only one survives. Which number survives at the last? There are 100 people starting from 1 to 100, right? Jasper's problem, which involves a circle of peoples where every second person is eliminated until only one supervisor. 100 people standing in a circle in an order 1 to 100. So this is the input number of peoples in the circle. Find the position of the last person to achieve that. So we are declared power up to variable into variable assign value with 1. So after that I am comparing power up to less than or equal to input. If it is true, so I am incrementing every time this 1 into 2. It will be first time 2, after that it will be 4, after that it will be 8, 16, like that it will be incremented until this while condition will be false. Set back to the largest power up to less than or equal to. So this is the Jasper's position of the last person can be calculated as this is the formula. We need to do these two. These are the formulas to achieve this. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.